Alright guys, back on the road again, heading to Dayton, Ohio, which is about 2 hours from the day of bird and flying. I'm going to visit the Wright Brothers National Museum and hopefully get a chance to see the Wright Flyer 3, which is the Wright Brothers' first practical airplane. Let's do this.
We are right here, and we're going to take it all the way around to this building here, which is where the Wright Flyer 3 is.
I have a feeling this is one of those places that 2 hours just is not enough. There's just too much history, too much going on. Here's a replica of the Wright's bicycle shop, and only half of the building was the bicycle shop. The other half was shared by another company. Hey, Will.
Oh my goodness, look how small it is. How neat.
This must be the repair shop. And this is their workshop?
This is an actual workshop, which is up on the second floor.
Oh, okay.
Very typical of all the factories back then. They had the main central shaft powered by a gas engine, and then they run flat belts to pulleys to run all their equipment.
This is the wind tunnel?
Yeah, this is the wind tunnel they used to redevelop all the lift and drag tables between 1902 and 1903. That correction is what allowed them to be successful in 1903.
Awesome. How did he control it?
Left hand has a lever that's going this way. That's controlling the elevator.
Okay.
It controls pitch. It's one of the three axes you have to control.
Okay.
The right hand has another lever that works in this direction that controls the lever in the back. That's controlling yaw. The third axis is roll.
Yeah.
And their method of controlling roll was by twisting the wings. They call it wing warping. His hips are in a cradle that are hooked up to cables that go to the back corners of the wings, and that's what twists the wing. The motor was a constant speed, gravity-fed gasoline engine.
Will's actual suitcase. Monogrammed OR.
OW.
I'm an idiot. Yeah, OW. This is the transportation center. Let's see what it's all about. Hey man, John Quincy Adams, 1835. Look at this old stagecoach back here. It's hard to believe this used to be our mode of transportation. Now we're slapping on engines to our back, and it's just wild, man. So I'm real happy with my visit here. It's Carillon. So I'm real happy with my visit here. Carillon, what's it called? So I'm really happy with my visit here. I'm really glad I came. It is so much more than just the Wright Brothers Museum. And when I said that you could spend a lot more time than 2 hours here, you really could. All kinds of stuff to get into. Next stop, I'm gonna visit a family farm in southeastern Ohio. And it just so happens it has a really nice grass strip. So, weather permitting, I'll get a chance to fly it. What you think, Bella?
man, that was fucking close. Man, that was close. That was fucking close. Man. You gotta really watch out for those power lines. I can't believe how invisible they were. I mean, they went from being completely invisible to, I don't know, just being there. Here's the kicker though. I checked that field out before I flew it. I flew over it, checked things out for obstacles, you know, anything that could hurt me. And I was 100% sure that I knew every obstacle there was there. But for some reason, I thought the power lines terminated in the middle of the field. That wasn't the case. Obviously, I need to change the way I clear a field. So in the future, I'm going to fly over it and around it at a safe altitude, but I'm not going to leave it at that. I'm going to look at that field from different angles, different lighting conditions, and even different backgrounds. You know, this is one of those things that I could have kept to myself. But hey, if this keeps one person from flying into power lines, then right on, brother. Check out that cool rover.
You ever complain about a train car?
Never.
Yeah, it's just here's
How you doing? Nice day. That's wild, man.
Did you just hear that? I heard something back there. I think it's a deer. Hi, Will.
Hey, man. Now it's time for a ride in the Stearman. Man, that was absolutely incredible. That was my first time in a Stearman, first time in a biplane, and first time in an open cockpit. It was fantastic. I had a smile on my face the whole freaking time. All right, we're on a mission to visit Amish Country and hopefully get up with an Amish dude who also flies a paramotor. We got lost, but it's still beautiful. Amish Segway. Hi. Selfie here. What's up, Alan? You fly paramotors, dude?
Yep, it's a lot of
fun. Love it.
158 hours, and then I got about 10 hours on it before I had the hour meters. I got...
Dude, that thing looks brand new. Man, you're into RC planes and old cars?
Yep.
Cool. Thanks for answering our questions and all that, you know?
Food place, you want to go in there?
That would be cool. I'm gonna trade my old muddy boots for a new pair of shoes. They match my wing too. That's it, guys. That's my visit to the family farm. Had a great time. You would think that life may be boring around a farm, but I assure you that is not the case. There's so much to do, a lot to see, and just a surprise around every corner, it seems. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making it, and until next time, ciao.
Man, that was close.